To fly higher, you need strength and determination to go against the current. Today, our team will elevate. Our company will expand its vision, and our tribe will spread its wings to conquer new horizons. Francois and I have been trying to figure out a way, how do we carry this forward for the long term? We have an amazing team. If we don't grow it fast enough, we're holding them back.
As PolyLevel is growing, the opportunities for our team are limited, but with partnering with Groundworks, those limitations are simply removed.
So what excites me the most of joining Groundworks is the opportunity that it'll give our team, our company to grow.
Michelle always said that we're at the base of this thing and we're going to climb that mountain to get to the top. I think Groundworks is going to help us achieve that.
I think it'll be huge. There's going to be so many opportunities for them, and that this is going to be a game changer.
Being one of the first Groundworks branches in Canada, I think it's going to open up a lot of opportunities for the customers to see what kind of company we are.
It means a lot to be able to take care of our customers in the way that they should be.
The customer is getting the best of the best around the world.
We're going to take this to the next level.
What excites me the most about our partnership with PolyLevel Alberta is learning from the skills and years that they develop and mastering, frankly, this poly product. What we're going to bring to the table for the great team up in Edmonton is continued investment, growth, and resources. But I think the most important thing that we bring to all our partnerships is the power of ownership.
Now, ownership for PolyLevel is going to be a huge benefit to the team members. You get rewarded for what you put in.
At PolyLevel, we've always talked about creating a life, not a living. Groundworks is going to give us the opportunity to get us to that next step.
I think it's super exciting because I can see this being a long-standing opportunity for everyone amongst the team.
We've got an amazing team, and in order to take them to their full potential, we need to grow even faster, and this is the way we're going to do it.
We're going to make it happen, even if other people say it's not possible. No is not an answer.
I've seen us grow in the past 5 years, and it's exciting to see where the next 5 years are going to take us. Buckle up, it's going to be a fun ride.
With Groundworks, our Eagles are going to be able to fly faster, further, and higher. Fly, Eagles, fly.